Hi, welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome to Green Forex Academy, helping traders become more profitable. Hello guys, in this video, I want to talk about scalping. Now, is scalping possible? There's a lot of traders out there that think scalping is not possible. Scalping, it's possible. If you want to be a scalper, or if you are a scalper, if you discover that scalping is for you, then I want to say that you need to watch this video, because scalping is a trading system that can fetch you lots of pip in a day, trading several times, entering the market with low risks. When you go into the market with low risks, then you have to do this so many times, and that is how you can make some money from the market. Now, this is trades that I've taken for today. If you see these trades, you can see, let me expand this so that you can see all my trades for today. Here, these are all my trades for today. All my trades for today. Let's start counting. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 trades. 29 trades. If you look at the date here, this is 24th of May 2019. You can see all the dates through. You can see 29 trades in one day. And with small risks, you can see just this. If you have a small account, this is 115. You can make $115, euros, or pounds. It all depends on where you are living. So you can see, if you are a scalper, this video is a motivation for you to know that it's possible. You can make up to 29 trades. You can make up to 10 trades. You can make up to 15 trades. It all depends on the time you have at hand. So guys, if you are a scalper, don't risk too much, because if you risk too much and the trade goes against you, it's going to be difficult for you, because scalping is something that you do, and you want to go into the market and come out of the market as soon as possible. It's not something that you do and stay in the market. Now, so many people find it very difficult to scalp because they don't know when to scalp. If you want to be a good scalper, then you have to wait for a momentum. You have to wait for volatility. You have to wait when the market is moving, when the market is trending. And you catch some trends and then just go in and come out. Just pick few pips and then you're out of the market. Now, this is a new strategy that I'm trying, and then it's working. It's really working. And if you are interested in this strategy, you can check the link below this video and send me an email, and I'll be willing to communicate and show you exactly how I am making these pips. If you are a scalper, keep scalping and keep making money from the market. If you're not a scalper and you want to learn how to be a scalper, you need to do some personality tests to check to see if scalping is for you, because scalping is not for all traders. So if you want to learn how to scalp, check to see if scalping is for you. If you're a swing trader or day trader, then just jump into scalping, because you can make some pips scalping, or you can make a lot of money scalping in a day. So this video is for scalpers, and is to show that it's possible to scalp and trade and make up to 10, 15, 20 trades in a day. So this is my trades for today. I'm just showing you guys that it is possible to scalp the market and make at least $100 a day, pounds or euro in a day. So guys, like I said, if you want to learn more about this trading strategy, you can check below this video. You can check below this video. There's a link there, or there's an email, and then you can reach me through that email, and I will show you exactly how this trading strategy works. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, you can subscribe and then press the notification bell to receive notification each time I upload a video like this. I wish you guys happy trading, and I want to say thank you for all your comments, for your subscription, and for your suggestion. See you in my next video. Cheers, guys.